Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create your first drawing. Before you get started to do your first drawing, you must become familiar with basics. Good news, we made a video about that, just explaining the interface of AutoCAD and their names. I basically recommend you to watch that video. You can find link in the description box below. It introduces you to many basics operation of AutoCAD, such as startup, recent document, how to sign up with your Gmail in AutoCAD, and a lot of interface stuffs like application menu, quick access toolbar, user coordinator system, which is really so helpful as you start to work with complex 2D as well 3D modeling. Friends, if you've seen a value in this video, make sure to subscribe. It really makes a huge difference. Thanks. Let's get started to our first drawing. Here we are in drawing area. So in this video, I want to show you how to change colors like uniform background, crosshair, and command line, right? And also I want to show you how to draw in some tools. Since you are a beginner, you need to see how to draw something in AutoCAD. And also I want to show you how to zoom in, zoom out all the objects you are drawing in the area. So let me start how to change the cursor crosshair, or let me say this uniform background or user coordinator system or command, how to change the color. It's really very important. So let me start first. So if you want to change, make sure your command is int. You don't have to write anything. So click right, left, right, and go to the option. I want to change the color, right? Go to the option. Whoop, it's bubble up. So here we have a color. So choose. Here we have different options, and all these different options you will learn in the later in these courses. So don't hurry up. Just we need to change the color of crosshair and user coordinator system. So let me choose colors, right? So here we have a uniform background, and as you see, uniform background right now is black, and I mostly use black color. So you can change. Click there, and here you can change any color you prefer. For example, you might prefer like let me say yellow. So let me say, then when you choose the color, just apply. You apply it, just say okay. Here we have a yellow color. So that's the way you can change the color of your uniform background. So if you want to change again, right click, option, or here colors, and here we have different colors, and it's up to you the one you like. So mostly I interest the black one, and that's my favorite color. And you can also change the crosshair. Here is the crosshair right now is white. You can change any color you prefer. So mostly sometimes I use red color, or let me say white color. So right now I'm using white color, and that's enough. And here we have also command line, and command line right now you see it has a difference for like history test, promote background. So it has a different colors and different tools. So it depends you the way you change. So mostly I already organized my colors. So let me say right now I don't want to change anything. So right now let me apply and close. Let me say okay. That's the way you can change the colors of background, crosshair, and user coordinate system. So second, I want to show you how to draw some tools in any area. The first point you can see, click the line tool on the home tab is draw line panel like this one. You can use this way. For example, here we have a line. You can click, and here we see that the command prompt asks you to select a point to begin your drawing. So here it is saying specific your first point. So let me specific, let me press or click any area of this background. So I click in here. So this is the way you can draw, right? So there's another way you can draw in any lines. For example, let me erase this one first. Let me erase. Here we have, you can write common, like let me write a line. Let me write a line. Here we have, here it is the same function, right? He say specific your first point, and it's the same option. You can specific your first line in any area that you want. So if you want to close, just click. If you want to and you will learn how to erase all those tools that you have drawn in your AutoCAD. So that's the way also that you can write some things. For example, I just took example as a line. So we can also, you have here a circle. So there is a different tolerances of circle. You can use it. For example, I want to use this one. Here we have. So this is the way you can draw some things in your AutoCAD. The other thing is I'm going to share with you how to zoom. So for example, this is here, maybe we have some tools. I already prepared it, but you can't see it. So how could you see this? How can you able to see it or to zoom it? So right now, just if you want to zoom any object, let's see, close your object towards your let me say cursor, then rotate your mouse like this way. For example, here look, we already draw some lines. So here you can see we have some tolerances. So if you want to zoom in, this is the way. Just close your cursor to this one and click rotate your cursor. That is the way you can do it. So this is the way you can do it. So